I'm Jose, and for me, reading is hard.
My name is Bahar, and English is my second language.
I'm Robert, and I'm just trying to pass astronomy.
What do these students have in common? They all use Read and Write to help them read, write, and study. Read and Write can convert text into audio so that you can read along as you listen. You can even select an Australian or British accent.
Microbiology is the study of microorganisms.
If you're having trouble starting your paper, you can speak your thoughts out loud, and Read and Write will start typing for you. When it comes time to review your work, it can check for grammar and spelling errors so you can feel more confident about your paper. As you study, use Read and Write's highlighting features. Read and Write can collect all the highlights and even create study guides for you. Want to give it a try? Add the free Google Chrome Read and Write extension. You can download the full version for free whenever you want.
Now, I actually read my textbook.
I feel confident about my papers.
I passed.
Read and Write is for all people, and it's used daily by millions of students just like you. Read and Write, making your everyday tasks easier.